Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get follow and gifts alert on TikTok live. Alright, it's very easy. Now if you want to do this, you need to make sure you're using the TikTok live studio software to go live. Now if you launch the TikTok live studio, log into your account, and the first thing you want to do is to add a scene. You have to click here and tap on add a scene. Select either the general, blank, or chat scene. Now after any of them is selected, come right here and click on add. Now once you add a scene, I have a scene added already. Now the next thing, you're going to get all the source depending on the scene that is being selected. Now from here, just click on this, hover on alert, click on settings. Now once you click on that, then from here you're going to get this alert preview. Now you have to choose either to get alert for followers, or to get alert for subscription, or to get alert for gifts. So if it's followers, select that one. If it's subscriptions, select it. If it's gifts, select it. And then the next thing you want to do right here is to choose the layout of your alert. You can use the layout 1 or the layout 2. Click here to preview it, by the way. Now the next thing you want to do now is to choose the duration of the alert. You can choose either 5 seconds or more. For example, okay, 10 seconds, you can just add it right here, but 5 seconds is recommended for every creator. Yeah, 5 seconds is recommended. Now the next thing you want to do is you can change the layout background color. Alright, you can change it from here. For example, I can choose to change this to red, and by the way, again, you can preview it from here. Now I can just go ahead and click on apply. Now once that is applied successfully, you can be able to get the followers alert or the gift alert on your TikTok live if you are streaming using a TikTok live studio. So let's check that by coming here, hover on alert again, go to settings, and then let's preview it right here. Let me click on preview. As you can see, if someone just followed me, I'll get this I'll get that red background, and the person user's name is going to appear there, and it's going to say so username started following me. Alright, so that's it. So this is how you can actually get followers or gifts alerts on your TikTok live. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.